my dear loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let it die today. Today mini vlog is all about my cleaning cupboard. It's Friday evening 4 o'clock. It has been a long time without cleaning. I will not be have free day. I have only one free day, that is Sunday. Even it's Sunday, I was busy. I went to my native, marriage and etc. Since 2 months I didn't clean this cupboard. First I took off all things from cupboard. Somehow I took all things and kept down. See guys, in this glass corner there is so much dust. Our house is next to the road, so much dust. See how it is. I am using buds to clean this, but still it's not getting cleaned. See, I am not even able to take this dust outside. So what I did is I used a tablet strip to remove the dust and I took it off in tissue. Now I'm gonna wash with the surf water. I think it's helped to remove the dirt from that place. Now I am wiping with a cloth. Once again I'm gonna wipe with the cotton. How much ever I wiped, it's not looking clean. Now I'm gonna wipe cupboard box. See how much dust. Once again I'm gonna wipe with the wet cloth. I hope it's helped to remove the all dirt. See how much dirt are present. I'm not satisfaction with that glass corner. Finally my cupboards are cleaned. I removed all dust, dirt, and that glass corner is some dust remain. It's okay. We'll start arranging one by one things so that it will be easy and look good. I will arranging first makeup things and perfumes in the first box. First I'm gonna arrange my body lotions and face cream, sunscreen and crack cream, night cream, day cream, powder. I'm not use so much product. My sister used those product. I just use day cream and I use perfume. I like perfume. I will place lipstick, kajal, and my lip liner in this Doraemon cup. Lipstick is my favorite thing. In my college, lipstick is not allowed yet, but still I will put lipstick and go. When our principal madam teachers come, that time I eat my lipstick. I put all my rubber band clips in one box. After that, in second box, I will place all my accessory. Now I will place all my painting stuff. I like painting. If you like, please let me know in the comment section, okay? Now I will place all my earrings in one bowl. Actually, those earrings are not mine, it's my sister's. Once or twice in a year, I used those earrings. To place the bangle, there is a no box, so I will wrap it in the plastic cover. Please don't keep bangle like this. It will lose the color. After that, in this side box, I will place my nail polish, eyeliner remover, eyeliner, mascara. Oh my god, now I am noticed I have many eyeliner box. Eyeliner rock, Mauna shock. After that, in this side box, I will place all my hair care products. That is hair oil, hair serum, and hair massager, hair mask. I will place my birthday gift and shells and tissue paper. Same in Doraemon cup, I am placing the pen, pencil and sketch pencil. It's full and I am not able to place all things in this cup. So I will take it 2 pen and pencil and place it in a flower pot. In previous video I had been already told you guys there is no soil, so we didn't get plant those. Flower pot is free. In upper box I am keeping first aid kit. Hope you guys are aware of first aid kit. And I placed my all tablets in flower pot. After that I place my all combs in hair care box. After that, in upper box I will place all the electrical device like a extension box, hair straightener, etc. And also earphone. I will not even use this because it will damage eardrum and also it affect our brain. In top box I kept that things which will not use it daily, so I kept it there. And also I will keep the stickers and birds. Top to that I will not keep anything because my sister is shorter than me, so she will not able to take it even if I place something. Finally I cleaned my cupboard and arranged all things. Oh, I forgot to wipe this glass, so it's look blur. To clean this stuff I took 4 hours. When I started it was 4:30. Now it's around 8 o'clock. In this top box I kept all my college stuffs, my file, those things. Hope you guys like my video. For more video please subscribe and support me guys. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Love you all. Tata. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.